So now for the new stuff. I'm going to teach you guys right now how to do a Maxi 4, a paddle, and a step called a hiccup. We aren't doing the entire step at all in the show. We're doing like 3/4 of it, but I'm going to teach you the entire step and we can cut it down later. Cool. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do Maxi 4. Okay. Get the grossness off my legs. So, Maxi 4 starts with the step, shuffle, and then hop, toe drop in the back. So you want your stomp to be on a flat foot. So stomp, shuffle, and when you're hopping, you're going to switch feet. So step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, hop, toe. And then same thing on the other side. Step, shuffle, hop, toe. Step, shuffle, hop, toe. And when it's fast, he goes like that. Okay. So now, I'm going to show you guys the entire hiccup. And the key with the hiccup is to remember that there's a heel in between each step. So here, I'll show it to you. So it goes flat, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Then you go to the next side. Flat, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Flat. Can you kind of see how there's like there's like one heel in between each thing? It goes flat, heel, heel, brush was the next thing, heel, toe was the next thing, heel. Okay, so next we have a traveling step. It's called a paddle. So I'm not going to do the arms right now, but basically the arms are just like an L, kind of like that. And it's not that hard. It'll just look kind of crazy right now because I can't travel. But let's take a look. So it is, you're just gonna go step, and then using this is your supporting foot, so all your weight's gonna be on this foot, and on this foot you're just gonna go brush, toe, step, brush, toe, step, brush, toe, step, brush, toe. So you're kind of doing a flat, but towards yourself instead of away yourself. So, like that. Easy enough, not crazy hard, just takes a little bit of concentration. Yeah, so Maxi 4 hiccup and paddle we're doing next week, and most likely reviewing all we did last week. So skater turns, that heel swivel thing, paradiddles and running shuffles, and then reviewing time steps. Yay, cool. Ugh.